Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks. I have a brand new sneaker pickup for you guys today. Nike was cool enough to send me a reserve for a pair of shoes that I actually want. So I picked them up with no hesitation. This is my third pair of these. I have a fourth one on the way, and I do want to pick up one of the OG colorways that did drop. So to get it started, we have a orange Nike box. As you can see, we have a Nike Vaporfly 4%. This colorway is super dope. I picked up the orange colorway maybe about 2 weeks ago. This one they sent me the reserve for about a week, not even a week, like maybe a couple days actually in advance. This one here is the vast gray colorway, which is probably my favorite so far. I love the gray and the red and blue in it. I think it's super dope. The 4% is definitely my favorite, like comfort-wise model. I did run in the original colorway, which I kind of regret because they were super comfortable and now they're kind of falling apart on me. But these I'm going to wear strictly for casual standpoint, the same that I'm doing for the orange pair, and I have the royal blue pair that released. I ended up getting those as well. Now when it comes to the 4%, I have every colorway except for the blue fox, which is like that darkish blue. That one I missed out on. You know, I got the original pair and $250 was a lot at that point, so I just picked up one. I saw a 12 in the blue one and I passed on it, which I regret. Now whenever I see a 4% release, I'm like on top of it. I need it. Getting the reservation for these was amazing. I didn't have to like worry about having to pick it up or pay resale. Just logged into my account and picked them up. They did release the royal blue colorway along this one, which I did pick up as well. Those should be in either Monday or Tuesday coming up. But the main focus on this one is the vast gray, which is super nice. You get like a darker gray swoosh. You get it on the medial side right there, but that blue and red is super nice. Kind of upset that there's like some paint chipping already on them when I got them, but you know, that's pretty much going to happen regardless. They've creased super bad on the midsoles, but just I love this model. It's so comfortable. If I have to, I guess I'll run in another pair, but I'm going to kind of off-put that. I have the Nimbus 18 right now, or I could just get a regular Zoom Fly, but these things right here, next level stuff, man. I promise you, if you have the chance to pick these up, $250 is steep, I know, but if you're thinking Ultra Boost is like king right now, just wait till you try these on. So as you can see, it says the measured in the lab, verified with metals, little saying right there, which is just 2 lines. The 2 original ones had 3 lines going down there. That's just one little small thing I noticed. It was on the orange pair that I got as well, and on the blue pair that will be coming in. But like I said, I really want to pick up that blue fox, the original colorway, the darker one. I need to pick those up just to complete the set. These things are amazing. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have picked these up or if you think they're just too expensive for what they're worth. To me, I thought they were kind of expensive at first, but after putting them on, trying out that Zoom X, these things are worth every penny. So Nike uses their new fly mesh on the uppers, which make these super light. It has the Zoom X technology going throughout the midsole. If you're looking at the regular Zoom Fly, you're going to be getting just its lunar lawn, and then I believe it's like a plastic plate that's running through it. This one has a full carbon fiber plate and Zoom X, which is like amazing. I can't wait until they start putting Zoom X on different types of models, Nike basketball shoes, casual shoes. That'll just be amazing when they start implementing Zoom X that way. But for now, it looks like we're paying $250 to get our hands on Zoom X, and you know, I'm down. One thing I noticed with this pair, it's like a navy blue bottom. The other ones are all black, so that's a little bit different on this one. I do like that the color is like that grayish. It's called vast gray, but I like the blue and the red that contrasts with it. A little bit different than the original, what is it, the ice blue colorway. These are really nice. Can't wait to pick up the other ones when they come in. That royal blue is super nice. And then also I want to pick up that original colorway. Like I said, I just need to find it for a good price in 11.5, 12. So just working on completing this collection, but these things are amazing. So that's going to be it for this one. I just wanted to give you guys kind of a rundown on it. And if you're looking to use these for performance, I'm going to go ahead and say the only con to these is the ankle support is like non-existent. I always find that my left foot is sliding around and feeling like it's going to twist when I plant. But I mean, that's one little thing to give when you're getting the Zoom X cushioning on it, and I'm sure they'll do a fix on that. But that is going to be it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.